Hang a mask on the door and see what happens. Once you know this trick, you will not want to use the mask in any other way. Many of us use repellents and pesticides when mosquitoes and insects invade our home. This is not the best option for everyone, since most of these products contain substances that can harm health and cause allergies in many people. Today, I will teach you a quick and natural solution to completely repel mosquitoes, using just a mask and an ingredient. Star anise is very famous for its strong and distinctive smell, and we often use it to prepare drinks in the kitchen. But it has magical properties to repel insects and mosquitoes. The first thing you should do is take a mask or mouth cover, and with the help of a scissor, we are going to cut one of the edges. I would like to know from which country or city you are watching me, so I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Silvania Rodriguez, who is watching us from Brazil. Now I will cut the strip of the cut edge, and I will reserve it to use later. We open the mask in this way until it has the shape of a small bag. Once this is done, we take a spoon and pour a good amount of anise into the mask until it is well covered. The results of using this at home will leave you with your mouth open. The next thing will be to take the reserved strip. We turn it a few times to secure the mask, and we tie the mouth well where we put the anise. Then we will take this and hang it on one of the doors of the house where you feel that more insects enter. What we did here is an excellent homemade repellent. The essential oil contained in the anise will emit a unique smell that is unpleasant for insects, and also scents and purifies the air, giving a pleasant smell to your home. This is also useful to remove the humidity and the bad smell that sticks to the clothes when you keep it in the closets. Do it at home, and then come back here and let me know how it turned out. If you got here, leaving the face, don't let my house support insects, so I will know that you watched the whole video.
Quiero mi casa sin insectos. Así sabré que miraste todo el video.